mayroon na naman tayong magic tricks guys. Kukuha tayo ng 2 cards guys. Ito yung card ng spectators guys. 2 wild cards. Yung isa naka-face down card guys, yung isa naka-face up. Katin natin guys, kahit ilang cut guys pwede. Isa pa guys. Last cut guys. Ngayon guys, kukuha tayo ng 23 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Palalabasin natin yung card ng spectators guys na naka-face down card. Base sa naka-face up card guys. Ngayon guys, ito na yung card ng spectators guys na wild cards. Buksan natin guys. The Magician is always correct guys. Wild cards. Hindi pa tapos guys, mayroon pa. Itong 4 na files guys, yung top card, puro skip cards. Buksan natin guys. The Magician is always correct guys. Skip cards guys, 4. Skip cards. Oops, hindi pa tapos guys, mayroon pa. Itong top card guys na 4 na reverse. Buksan natin guys. Reverse. Reverse. The Magician is always correct guys. Thank you for watching guys.